Did you know that Thailand, once an agrarian economy, is now the second largest economy in Southeast Asia? This didn't just happen overnight, but rather, it's a tale of strategic pivots, economic resilience, and a nation's determination to rise. In the early stages of its economic journey, Thailand was primarily an agrarian society. The country's economy was heavily dependent on its fertile land and the hard work of its farmers. Rice fields stretched as far as the eye could see, a testament to the country's reliance on agriculture. However, as the world began to change, so did Thailand. The 1980s marked a significant turning point. The country started to shift its focus towards manufacturing. From textiles to electronics, Thailand began to make its mark on the global manufacturing scene. This shift didn't happen by chance though. It was a direct result of the government's policies, which aimed to industrialize the nation and diversify its economy. Then came another significant shift. As the new millennium dawned, Thailand began to recognize the potential of the services sector, particularly tourism. The country's breathtaking landscapes, rich culture, and world-renowned cuisine started drawing in millions of tourists from around the globe. The tourism boom, coupled with the growth of other services like finance and information technology, further bolstered the Thai economy. Throughout this transformation, the role of the government cannot be understated. Strategic policies, infrastructure development, and investment in human capital all played crucial roles in Thailand's economic metamorphosis. The government's ability to adapt and direct the economy towards new opportunities has been integral to Thailand's economic success. From a country known for its rice fields, Thailand has evolved into a diverse and dynamic economy, excelling in areas ranging from manufacturing to services. This shift from agriculture to industry and then to services mirrors the path many developed economies have taken. The journey, however, is uniquely Thai. Moving from rice to robots, Thailand's economic journey has been nothing short of remarkable. And as we'll see in the coming scenes, this journey is far from over. So stay tuned as we delve deeper into the engines of Thailand's growth, its economic crown jewels, and its exciting new frontiers. Thailand's leap into the global economy began with a shift towards manufacturing. In the heart of Southeast Asia, Thailand has become a regional powerhouse in manufacturing. It's a fascinating tale of transformation, driven by a combination of factors such as strategic location, progressive policies, and a robust workforce. Let's take a closer look at the sectors that have fueled this growth. First off, the automotive industry. Thailand is often referred to as the Detroit of the East, and this isn't without reason. The country is the largest automotive producer in Southeast Asia and the 12th largest worldwide. The presence of major global auto manufacturers has led to the development of a robust auto parts industry, further bolstering the sector. Next, we have the electronics industry. Thailand is a major player in the global electronics market, particularly in the production of hard disk drives and semiconductors. The country's strategic location, coupled with a skilled labor force and competitive costs, makes it an attractive hub for electronic manufacturing. And let's not forget about the food industry. Thailand is known as the kitchen of the world for its significant contributions to the global food market. It is one of the world's leading exporters of rice, canned tuna, and chicken. The Thai food industry has capitalized on the country's rich agricultural resources and culinary heritage, creating a vibrant sector that feeds millions around the world. Foreign direct investment has played a critical role in this growth story. Multinational corporations have recognized Thailand's potential and invested heavily in the country. The Thai government has also done its part by implementing investor-friendly policies and creating special economic zones to attract investment. But the story doesn't end here. The manufacturing sector continues to evolve, with a focus on higher value-added industries and advanced technologies. The government's Thailand 4.0 initiative is aimed at moving the country towards a more innovative, value-based economy. From cars to computers, Thailand's manufacturing sector has been a key driver of its economic success. It's a testament to the country's strategic vision, resilience, and adaptability. And as we look to the future, there's every reason to believe that this engine of growth will continue to power Thailand's economic journey. The land of smiles, Thailand is also a land of economic opportunities thanks to its thriving tourism industry. As a tropical paradise, it has been drawing in visitors from around the globe, making tourism a significant pillar of its economic structure. Now let's delve into the numbers. Tourism contributes to approximately 20% of Thailand's gross domestic product, a figure that vividly illustrates its importance. This sector's growth has been phenomenal over the past decades, with millions of international tourists flocking to its sun-kissed beaches, majestic temples, and bustling cities every year. But it's not just about the revenue. The tourism industry has also been a driving force behind job creation in Thailand. From hotel staff and tour guides to street food vendors and artisans, the ripple effect of tourism touches many lives, providing a livelihood to a sizable portion of the Thai population. The Thai government has recognized the value of this golden goose and has been proactive in promoting Thailand as a must-visit destination. Initiatives such as the Amazing Thailand campaign and the provision of visa-on-arrival facilities for many countries have been successful in attracting more visitors. However, with great opportunities come great challenges. The issue of over-tourism has started to rear its head, threatening the very resources that make Thailand a tourist hotspot. This includes environmental degradation and cultural erosion. It's a delicate balancing act, promoting tourism for economic growth while preserving the country's natural and cultural heritage. Yet, Thailand has shown resilience and adaptability in the face of these challenges. Measures are being taken to manage tourist numbers responsibly, promote sustainable tourism, and diversify the tourism offerings to alleviate pressure on popular sites. With its stunning landscapes and rich culture, tourism has truly become the jewel in Thailand's economic crown. It's a shining example of how a country can leverage its natural and cultural assets to drive economic growth, create jobs, and improve the lives of its people. But as the jewel continues to sparkle, it's crucial to ensure that its shine doesn't fade away due to overuse. This is the challenge that lies ahead for Thailand's tourism industry. As Thailand's economy matures, the services sector emerges as the new frontier. This growth isn't accidental but rather the result of concerted efforts towards digitalization and the government's ambitious Thailand 4.0 initiative. Let's start with finance. Thailand has seen a surge in fintech startups and digital banking, a testament to the country's push for financial inclusion. With an increasing number of Thais gaining access to financial services through their smartphones, a vibrant ecosystem of digital payments, peer-to-peer lending and robo-advisory services has sprung up. Next, we have telecommunications. Thailand's telecom sector has experienced stellar growth, primarily driven by the rapid adoption of mobile broadband services. The government's push towards a digital economy, coupled with the proliferation of affordable smartphones, has led to an explosion in data usage. It's a trend that shows no signs of slowing down. And let's not forget about IT. Thailand is fast becoming a regional hub for data centers and cloud services, fueled by the country's strategic location and robust digital infrastructure. The government's proactive approach to attracting foreign investment in this sector has been a key driver of its growth. But what's truly exciting is how these sectors interact and feed off each other. Digitalization is a powerful catalyst for economic growth, driving innovation and productivity across all sectors. And with the Thailand 4.0 initiative, the government is doubling down on this strategy. Thailand 4.0 is a bold vision for a knowledge-based economy, one that leverages technology and innovation to create high-value products and services. It's a roadmap for transforming Thailand into a digital hub, a place where startups, tech giants, and innovative businesses can thrive. And it's not just about economic growth. It's also about creating a more inclusive and sustainable economy. An economy that provides opportunities for all, that helps reduce inequality, and that respects the environment. So what's next for Thailand's services sector? Well, with its sights set on becoming a digital hub, Thailand's services sector is poised for the next phase of growth. And if the past is any indication, we can expect exciting things on the horizon. While Thailand's economic journey has been impressive, what does the future hold? Let's delve into the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. One of the most significant challenges Thailand faces is an aging population. As a larger percentage of the populace moves into retirement, there will be fewer working-age individuals to drive economic growth. This demographic shift could potentially slow economic progress unless steps are taken to counteract it. Political stability also plays a crucial role in Thailand's economic future. The assurance of a stable political landscape is a key factor that foreign investors consider before investing in a country. Therefore, maintaining political stability will be vital for Thailand to continue attracting foreign investments. Additionally, technological advancements present both opportunities and challenges for Thailand. On one hand, embracing new technologies can propel the country towards a digital economy, creating new jobs and boosting productivity. On the other hand, the rapid pace of technological change could potentially disrupt traditional industries and jobs. The Thai government has been proactive in addressing these challenges. They have rolled out a number of economic plans aimed at transforming the country into a high-income nation. These plans focus on areas like infrastructure development, digital economy, and human capital development. Global trends such as climate change and digitalization will also shape Thailand's economic future. The impacts of climate change, such as rising sea levels and extreme weather events, could pose risks to sectors like tourism and agriculture. However, they also open up opportunities for Thailand to become a leader in green technologies and sustainable practices. Similarly, digitalization offers immense possibilities for Thailand. It can open up new markets, create innovative business models, and increase the efficiency of existing industries. However, it also requires the country to adapt and upgrade its skills and infrastructure to keep pace with the digital revolution. As we look to the future, one thing is clear: Thailand's economic journey is far from over. The challenges are substantial, but so are the opportunities. With the right strategies and policies, Thailand has the potential to continue its impressive economic transformation well into the 21st century.